Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing CEI, DSGT, ENVB, GSAT, ILUS, MJWL, MMMM, PLTXF, SIRC, and TGGI. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. And with that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like LWLG at $2.55, ENZC at 0.014, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times if we have something hot come across our desk and we want to get it out right away, we will send a text-only alert. So it's important to be signed up with both email and text messages, and the best part is both are free. And with that out of the way, let's dive in here. First up is CEI. We've been talking about this one on the site quite a bit. I go back 4 best penny stocks to buy right now. CEI, this was beginning of the month. CEI has just been an incredible runner. Put out this tweet last night for you folks. It's important to know what you own right now. Don't need to play every stock. Need to be selective and invest in both OTC and NASDAQ. CEI is up 282% in the past 3 weeks. ILUS up 258% over the last month. ENVB up 112%, and DSGT up 108% in 1 week. You know, right now, overall, it's a stock picker's market. Across the board, small caps, penny stocks, OTCs in particular, are weak, trading on the lows. But as I just ran through this, these 4, there's still opportunities, and this is why you got to be very, very selective, and why we are not sending out many alerts. We had just 1 this week. I'll be working all weekend trying to find something new for subscribers, but guys, we're not chasing anything here. I mean, the setup has to be really, really good to take that play. Remember, cash is a position as well, and when these markets turn, that's when you want to have your cash to be able to put to work. You don't want to be bogged down and buried in a lot of losers. So if you're antsy right now and you keep investing, trying to find the dip, you can really get yourself in a bind, and more importantly, you don't have free cash for new plays. And that's what we look for here at insiderfinancial.com. We're looking for the new plays. And that's why, this is why it's so important to be signed up. Signup.insiderfinancial.com. Our whole point is get our subscribers in before the crowd, find these plays before the momentum. Get in and before anyone else, and then, ride the wave. And, along the way, please book profits. It's so important to be doing that. DSGT is put in a low this month. It looks like the company has got their shit sorted out. This was a big runner last year. From similar levels, it ran to over $1.40. So this is an electric vehicle play. RSI is a little bit overbought right now, but we think we can keep going a little bit, and then we're going to pause. We're going to run into resistance at the 200-day of 41 cents. But we get through there, and we're going to go back towards the highs. So this one has a history of running, and the best part is if you look at the chart here, just been a lot of accumulation. From basically the 15-cent level to the 20-cent level. So someone's been accumulating stock here. So if there was a seller, someone was buying that up, and that seller could be out of the way now, and now the stock has room to run. So definitely an interesting setup here. ENVB, this one's running from the $1.50 level end of last month to $3.50. We got the annual shareholder meeting. They're voting on their merger with Magic Med. That should be approved, and looking at a closing Q3, Q4 at the latest. Aegis Capital has a $7 price target on this stock, which is the 52-week high of $7. So they're calling, Aegis Capital saying the stock's going back to the highs. That's a double from here. So definitely this is one we think you should still keep an eye on. GSAT, everything's focused on next week. Apple's event unveiling new products on the 15th. Word is that GSAT technology is going to be in the new iPhone for satellite communications. If it is, it's off and running. If it isn't, we can take a dump. So definitely, this is one you want to be waiting for on Wednesday's news with the Apple event. ILUS, we've been all over this one. I've been talking about this one extensively in our videos. They keep hiring, making new hires. I mean, if you look here, ILUS has just been, nonstop. I've been talking about this one. The last article was last month. We discussed it. Really strengthening their management team, bringing new hires on board. That's something you always want to see. This company is looking to be a major M&A player. They're looking for acquisitions, big following on social media. We really like this one. Nice breakout yesterday, although the RSI is a little bit overbought. This one looks to be heading to new highs probably sooner rather than later. So definitely like the price action in ILUS. MJWL, new article out on this one today. Check it out, what we have to say about this one. We've been all over MJWL since for our subscribers since 0.014. Go into the magnifying glass. All the stocks discussed today have been covered on the site. And we said here, MJWL stock next to be the next crypto runner. You go back to May 22nd. Where was that? It opened at 0.014, ran all the way to 26 cents, pulled back. Nice consolidation here at the 7-cent mark, and now what can't go lower must go higher. Definitely like this price action here in MJWL. What else we got here, folks? Quadruple M. This is another one that we out with an article. This is in today's article. Triple M. This has been a nice runner over the past couple of days. Broke out from the 15-cent mark on right at the end of August, ran all the way to the 50-cent level, so that's been a triple. Again, guys, there's still winners happening on the OTC. So, we're not getting the across-the-board runners like we're used to last year from November to February. That was one of the greatest times ever to be an investor. A lot of millionaires were made last year. It was just an incredible time to be an investor. Just like what we saw with ILUS in January. This was in the double zeros, ran to 18 cents. So just incredible. And these opportunities, these runs are going to come back. Just have to be a little bit patient. And again, like I said earlier, have cash so you can get in these new plays. That's where you become a millionaire, is by having the cash to play these new plays, and you get these 10, 20, 30 baggers. That really makes a big difference. PLTXF, this one is doing share buybacks. When you got an OTC buying back its own stock, that tells you that this stock is extremely cheap. We talk about this one in the new article as well. This is one you definitely want to get on your radar. This one was as high as $1.85. Here at 41 cents, we still see it as cheap. So plenty of room to run still on PLTXF. SIRC, this is a prime example of what I was talking about. In February, this one hit $3. Just was an incredible runner from the was in the double zeros in November, and just incredible run to $3. So definitely like the price action. This one looks to have bottomed out. With Biden wanting to transition the U.S. off of fossil fuels more towards solar, I think he wants 45% or 50% of all energy, all power to come from solar. So SIRC, it's a solar roofing company out of California. They've been doing acquisitions, great management. They know what they're doing. This one definitely has a lot more room to run, and definitely one you want to have on your radar screen. TGGI, I've been talking about this one, making a run up here. We just got to get above a penny. Paul Seo, I don't know how to pronounce his last name. He's been all over this one. We're just waiting for him to do a write-up. So he just waiting on Paul to update everyone as to what's going on with TGII. He's the man on TGII. So definitely want to hear what he has to say. We'll be sending that out to all subscribers once he publishes his research. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. I want to wish everyone a happy Friday. Stay safe, trade safe, pick your spots. No new alert for Friday, but I'll be doing homework over the weekend. Hopefully find something new for you guys for next week. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com to get first look before regular readers. Have a great day, everyone, and be coming live to you over the weekend with a new video. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.